Yo, checking in the office. Got the boxes out, we're packing, moving office tomorrow. You can even hear my voice echoing in this room, quite funny. Check it out. Everybody's moving. Anyway, still off my laptop. Basically, phone's still missing. So, obviously got nicked yesterday. Bit annoying, but at the same time, I'm cruising through it, just getting involved, making sure I keep momentum up as much as I can, even though I've got to do a fair bit of rebuilding and resorting of things. I've actually just jotted down a few notes, like what I was thinking about today, just about what's happened over the last 24 hours or so and how that relates to the Exam Coach Way, and a few lessons for you, and a few lessons for me, actually. So, number one, the first thing I was thinking about is, you know, this dude, probably part of like some organization, I don't know, who's run off or motorcycled off, Vespered off with my iPhone yesterday whilst I was Snapchatting, putting out content for you guys. That's D-Town behavior. It's very similar to what in beliefs, I'm talking about belief systems here, that D-Towners and what that dude on a moped believed yesterday evening, very, very similar things. And what it is really is it's the idea that you don't need to play by the rules that everybody else is playing by, and you can circumvent all the hard work, all the effort, all the fundamental laws, principles that do not change ever, you need to do in order to achieve anything. And they think they can go around that. They think they don't have to do it. They think they're entitled to, have these things, achieve these things, accomplish whatever they want to do. They don't have to do it the way that you have to do it. And I kind of know that because I had that belief system. I thought I could, skip things out, not do things properly, do things my own special way that didn't abide to the fundamental principles of trying to achieve anything. The core stuff, obviously, you've got your attention, your hard work, and there's loads of other little things like routine, the things I always talk about in the Exam Coach Way that are all part and parcel of it. And the key differences is that D-Town behavior. The dude who nicked my phone last night, he's going to sell that iPhone 7. It's a beautiful phone. iPhone 7, huge storage on it for you guys. Was storing up a lot of vids on that. Was going to put them all out, but now I'll just have to figure out another way to do it. But I'm going to keep cracking on. But it's built on the quick wins. He's going to sell that for what? It's about 800 quid the phone, I think. So I don't know, he might get like 500 for it on the market. But at the end of the day, it's a quick win. It's not built to last. Same with the D-Towners. D-Towners, you might copy, you might cheat, go to lose, write something on your late exam, get the answer right to a 10 marker, well done. It's not built to last. It's going to go away. The graph for D-Towners and the guy last night goes like this. Huge up downs and then slopes off and you remain down the bottom. Because over time, all the things you are doing rely on luck, chance, fate, if you believe in it, and that's not the way the cookie crumbles. Things don't work like that. Whereas the Exam Coach Way, the graph is a lot more like that, and then moving up to like that when you actually get your routine, your brain fuel, your liquid thinking, your 20-minute stress relievers, and your power sessions on deck. It's exponential growth. It's the slow and steady, the reliable, the always there, the consistent. The people who play by the rules, they'll tweak them a little bit. They'll play by the rules though because they understand their fundamentals. They'll try and find quicker ways to do things, sure, but they abide by the fundamentals. And that is the recipe to achieving anything in exams. And then as I'm beginning to learn now in a job and just as day by day goes by, it's pretty much how everything works. It's the slow, steady stuff. It's the consistency. It's playing for the long game. It's that kind of thinking that is it's going to get you places. So it's that it's a triangle. A little bit of optimism, a little bit of learning. more wins, a few losses. You take the short-term losses, like I have today, you learn from them, and then you go again, and you win. The other stuff is just huge wins, huge losses, ending up in a lot of losses. That's it. It's not a long-term play. It doesn't deliver consistency. It's based entirely on luck, and luck runs out. I'm not willing to bet on that. If you are, go for it. It's a great lesson to learn. You'll win. You might win quite a few times, but then you will lose, and you will continue to lose, and that's it. I don't want to be doing that because I'm the exam coach, and I'm always going to push the exam coach way. So have a think about it. If that makes sense to you, then just execute. Keep doing the exam coach way. Have faith in the basics. Know that you're doing the right thing, and keep cracking on. See you tomorrow.